Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab nuggets. Gather fresh or canned crab, breadcrumbs, eggs, and seasonings. Start by draining and flaking crab meat, then mix gently with binder and aromatics to preserve texture. Form uniform nuggets, chill briefly to firm up, and choose frying or baking depending on preference. Cook until golden and internal temperature is safe, then drain and serve with a bright dipping sauce for contrast. First, choose your crab and supporting ingredients. Use lump crab for texture or canned for budget-friendly ease. Combine crab with 1 egg, breadcrumbs, finely chopped aromatics, and seasonings. Avoid overmixing to keep flakes intact. Chill the mix briefly so nuggets hold shape when formed. Prepare a dredge station with flour, beaten egg, and panko for extra crunch. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby if you need to cool your hands during shaping. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you grocery shop or head to a crab haul. I put the product link and other deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Now let's get back to the video. Decide on frying, baking, or air frying based on time and health goals. For pan frying, heat about 1/4-inch oil until shimmering and cook nuggets until golden on both sides. For baking, place on a lined tray, spray lightly with oil, and bake until evenly browned. For air frying, arrange in a single layer and monitor crispness. Always check that internal temperature is appropriate and rest briefly before serving for optimal texture.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.